Several of our patients that come in to see us do suffer from dry eye. Dry eye is very common, and many people come in and they don't realize they have dry eye, but they're suffering from symptoms such as burning, stinging, and irritation of the eyes, redness, and even sometimes watering. So oftentimes we're able to diagnose the severity of the dry eye from mild to severe, and we can sometimes start with just simple artificial tears if the eyes are dry and limited irritability from it. If it gets to be more moderate to severe, some patients do need prescription eye drops like Restasis to help with their dry eye that they'll use on an ongoing basis more long term. There's different environmental factors too that can cause dry eye. So if they're in a drier environment in the winter or at work on a computer screen a lot, they'll maybe have more symptoms then and need more treatment at that time. The other treatment option too that we offer is some punctal plugs, which can be put in the tear ducts, and that helps keep their own tears in their eyes so they don't evaporate out into the air as much. So when patients come in and they have symptoms of dry eye, I think it's important for them to know that we do offer a lot of different treatments and to help them with their symptoms.